Zur from 4B. I am going to explain classification of animal kingdom. There are two types of animals, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals that have a backbone, like reptiles, fish, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Invertebrates are those animals that do not have a backbone, like porifera, cnidaria, and mollusca. Mammal. They are covered with hair or fur and are warm-blooded animals. Fish. They are a combination of gills, fins, and they only live in water and are cold-blooded animals. Birds. Birds are animals that have a feather, wings, and lay eggs and are warm-blooded animals. Amphibians. They start out their lives living in the water with gills just like fish. Later they develop lungs and can move to dry land and cold-blooded animals. Reptiles. Their skin is covered with hard and dry scales. They are cold-blooded animals which lay eggs.